Let's learn food and drink vocabulary. Juice, juice. Bread, bread. Burger, burger. Soup, soup. Ice cream, ice cream. Cheese, cheese. Cold drink, cold drink. French fries, French fries. Noodles, noodles. Milk, milk. Pudding, pudding. Popcorn, popcorn. Pizza, pizza. Pasta, pasta. Cookies, cookies. Donut, donut. Coffee, coffee. Yogurt, yogurt. Tea, tea. Butter, butter. Jelly, jelly. Boiled egg, boiled egg. Biryani, biryani. Milkshake, milkshake. Sandwich, sandwich. Kebab, kebab. Chips, chips. Nuggets, nuggets, nuggets. Mayonnaise, mayonnaise. Ketchup, ketchup. Sugar, sugar. Honey, honey. Cake, cake. Macaroni, macaroni. Chocolate, chocolate. Brownies, brownies. Corn, corn. Candy, candy. Pancake, pancake. Waffle, waffle. Peanut butter, peanut butter. Jam, jam. Fruits, fruits. Vegetables, vegetables. Dry fruits, dry fruits.